Hey there, sweet friends! Welcome to today's video as I share my fall 2022 home tour with you. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Spring with Spring Soulful Home, and I enjoy sharing videos such as home decor and DIY party planning. So if you enjoy those types of videos, I would love if you would join my YouTube community. You just need to hit the red subscribe button down below, and we're going to get started in today's video so I can show you how I've decorated all throughout the season to give you inspiration to decorate your home for fall. All right, my sweet friends, so as you walked through the foyer area, right off of that I have this entryway. I use it as a table, but it is an antique dresser, and I did paint this last year, so this might look familiar, but I do like to have this here just so we can set down our keys and, you know, maybe mail for the day. But I did use this same decor last year as well, but I just really loved it. I love the pop of rust colors and whatnot that go against the green dresser. And then this year I added the mirror on top of our mantle, and again I just kept a lot of my decor pretty neutral. I do like the browns, rust, and orange colors as well. It's just very reminiscent of our fall season, so I do like to bring those colors inside our home. However, I do also like to balance it with some neutrals. And then I did add in or layer on these two pillows. The plaid pillowcases, I did make those a couple years back. I just added them on with the brown kind of like velvet pillowcases that I added on to my pillows. I previously had those. And then here next to my mantle, I did add in some decor that's neutral colored, and also bringing in like the rust and brown tones. Again, I just like to keep everything balanced, still bringing in the traditional fall colors. I really love that look. And if you're new here and you've missed any of my previous fall decorating videos or my fall haul, I'll be sure to link those up in the cards throughout the video, and also down in my description box you can see where I have purchased everything in the past few years. And as I mentioned in a previous video, I wanted to go in and add in some little fairy lights to this floral decor that I have here on my mantle, and I absolutely love it. In the mornings, I've mentioned this before, but on the two chairs across from my fireplace, that's my space where I have my morning coffee, where I say my morning prayers, where I just do a lot of meditating on just being a Christian and life, my children. So I love sitting there just looking at the lights in the morning on my fireplace. Just brings a nice calming start to my morning. Now moving on to the home tour, home decor. One of the nice things that I enjoy when walking in is seeing the reflection of the amber glass on my piano. It definitely ties in with the orange or rust colored leaves that I have on our entryway table. And then moving on to our dining area, I had a new piece to decorate in here, and it's the shelves that you will see momentarily. My husband and son installed those for me over the summer, and I really love them. So far they have been really fun to decorate, and I've had to kind of like decorate, stand back, let it sit for a little bit. However, I do really love the way everything turned out I did add in some faux leaves, and then just all of the decor here. I have a few new pieces, but mostly a lot of the decor on the shelves are pieces that I've had all throughout the years. And then my just small little coffee station that I have there, I really love the way everything came out on this area. And then on the other side, I just decorated it with a few other fall pieces. And my dining area, I kept it very simple this year. We do sit here. This is our main table where we sit together as a family, so I did want to keep this fairly neutral. Doesn't mean I'm going to do that forever, but just giving you an overview of all the fall decor that I've added in here into our dining area this year. And then right off our dining area is our kitchen and our family room to the left. In my kitchen this year, again, I didn't add a lot of decor in. I did add in a few pieces, such as my decor around my sink area, and I really just love the way everything came out. Sometimes I feel like less is more. That's not the case all the time. However, I do kind of go back and forth from less is more. Sometimes I go a little overboard. But anyway, just sharing with you the fall decor I've added around my sink and our kitchen remodel. This is fairly new. We've had our kitchen remodeled for a little bit over a year, so I'm really enjoying that. And then around my stove area, just kept it again fairly simple. I like to keep just a few pieces around my stove since we do cook a lot, you know, don't like to get everything really messy. And then in my baking area, again, just kept it very simple. I like to have pieces out or decor out that I know I use on an everyday basis. So just a few touches so I know it's fall in my kitchen. And then moving on to our family area, I added in some mustard yellow throw pillows and throw covers, just a few pillows on my coffee table. Just kept it fairly simple with an amber colored vase with a little bit of pampas grass. I have that wooden tray there also because I like to store our remotes for our TV and my candles. So again, just keeping it really simple, but yet just adding a few pieces in that do definitely show we're in the fall season. But I have to say, my favorite piece here is here in our hutch area. I really love it when we're watching a movie at night with our family. I do definitely love the ambiance of the LED candles. They have a little remote, so it's really great to just turn those on. So again, this is my favorite piece here in our family room.
Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And I'm just giving you overviews of different views in our home, and here I'm giving you an overview of what our main living area looks like from upstairs. Mainly upstairs we have bedrooms and then our other full bathroom up there as well. And I'll be finishing off today's fall 2022 home tour in our master bedroom. Again, this year I just kept everything fairly simple but added in a few touches of fall, such as this really pretty amber colored pumpkin candle. I love it. Added in the throw pillow, throw blanket, and then this really cute fall garland with some little fairy lights. Added in some pampas grass to one of the small tables that I have here in my room. So again, I just loved all the nice small touches of fall that I added into our home this year. And friends, I want to thank you so very much for your continued support. It truly means so much. I wouldn't be here without you, so thank you so much, and you all have a wonderful, blessed day. We'll see you again, friends. Bye-bye.